What if I told you a weapon cheaper than a used car is quietly defeating billion-dollar military systems? Imagine a battlefield where the most powerful military forces stand face to face. On one side, advanced weapons and billion-dollar systems, but on the other, something shockingly simple. A small drone, cheap, quiet, and deadly. This is the Shahed 136 kamikaze drone. At first glance, it looks simple, but in reality, it is changing modern warfare. A Tomahawk missile costs millions, but this drone, only a few thousand. It waits, searches, and strikes at the perfect moment. Then it dives and destroys the target instantly. Its engine sounds like a scooter, and that sound creates fear. It uses GPS and advanced navigation systems. But its real power is in numbers. Hundreds of drones can attack together. A cheap drone, forcing the enemy to use million-dollar missiles. And this is where things get dangerous. Because modern defense systems were never designed to deal with hundreds of cheap targets at once. Each incoming drone forces a response. Each response costs thousands, sometimes millions. This is no longer just a military battle, it's an economic war. Instead of building stronger weapons, some countries are now building smarter ones. Cheap, fast to produce, and easy to deploy in large numbers. And perhaps the most powerful weapon is not the explosion, but the fear they create. Because when you hear that sound, you don't know where it will strike. If this technology continues to evolve, the future of warfare may belong to the cheapest weapons. And that raises one terrifying question. What happens when anyone can afford a weapon like this? This is not just a weapon. This is a new reality of modern warfare. Subscribe to Secret Reality for more untold stories like this.